Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage parental controls restrictions on Amazon Kindle Touch 11. To do this, we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and go for the settings. Inside, select parental controls and go for restrictions. Right here there's four different options: web browser, store, cloud and Goodreads, and we can activate or deactivate all of them for the kids or children that will be using it. And also, if you want to make any changes, you need to know your parental control pin, and let's enter it like this. Click on OK, and as you can see, now it's off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.